Thank you. Oh, look what we've just found here. No, here. You know what that is, don't you? Very cheap.
It's
when
not
you
mine.
Not yours.
Has he got the
Somebody
blades?
gave it to me to finish, and 15 years ago, and I never got round to it.
Have you got any blades
You
for
can
it?
have all that for £10.
Right, well I'll be taking it. I better stop videoing. Do you mind?
No, not at all.
Just for a YouTube video so people can see what was going on. A lot of stuff here today, isn't there?
There's a lot of stuff today. A lot of stuff. Some bargains around.
Absolutely. We ain't got a 19-inch prop in here, have we, by any chance? 20, or 1 inch out.
It's only half an inch in end, you know.
Wheels on.
Well, you could cut a bit off, couldn't you, in theory? I would.
Where we can help you out with the bigger one.
Yeah, could be a good chance of something there. A friend of ours has asked us to try and find a 19-inch prop, so we must be able to find one here somewhere.
These are okay if you want a bit of note. So you can go to faster with your link on you.
Do you mind me filming it? No? I won't film you, I'll just film the...
No, it depends when you're going to buy it or carry on.
I would like to.
Magazines are free.
Do you mind? It's video for YouTube. Just there ain't a 19-inch prop on there, is there, by any chance?
No,
9.
It's 22, yeah, 22. Oh, that's a measurement. That's a measurement. 2110, 23 I think.
Oh, close. Thank you.
Bang on right, 23
Thanking you. It's brilliant.
A few vintage helicopters. A lot more props down here, but they don't look big enough, do they? Do you mind me running?
problem.
Sorry, thank you.
Morning, Phil. How's it going?
Have you been here all morning?
I've been here since 7:30.
Why did they put you here and not with the rest of out the back, like, you know?
Great. Well, when the YouTube money starts to roll in, which I wouldn't hold your breath on, but thank you.
No salt.
Sorry, no, that's fine. How much is it? Twin? Yeah. 240. Early OS. All this night. 120.
I like that. That's got a printed 3D printed radial bit on the front. Look. Part of me says that'll be an interesting and fun thing to fly, but
That's brand new.
it does, yeah, never flown by the looks of it. Sorry, thank you.
Yeah, there's wood there and all the bones.
Oh, pictures of the.
How to do it. Everything was there.
Film it, it's okay.
What's mine called?
50 quid on that, mate.
There's a
A lattice. It's alright, do you mind?
How about 35 and take the receiver and the satellite off it?
Do you mind me filming there? Oh, blades. Let me just...
Well, you know, from the, in the 60s they started riding. No, it's 72 mine was built. Well, I was probably in the 60s they started doing it. Yeah. I can remember seeing three riders on the But you're on the cheap. Well, no, it's don't get me wrong, but you're on those. But it's interesting, isn't it? But like I said, yeah. Well, yeah, I think. What about you? 30 quid, whole box for a fiver.
It's mad, isn't it?
It is, isn't it? He needs a fuel tank for that, though.
It needs an electric motor is what it needs. There are 19 on there. Not big enough, is it? Do you mind me just filming across the... Shame that fuselage isn't 6 times bigger, I'd have had that.
Last year, with an interesting
You mind?
You do realise that's £100 to us?
I'll set the check's in the post. It's on its way. I'm advertising for you.
Two reasons. First of all, the only thing I'll say is, we started.
You mind me filming?
No, carry on.
Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, Gary?
Hello.
Do you do YouTube?
Yeah, I know of it.
Subscribed. All right. Thank you.
But it's a contribution. Not for me, I suppose. Okay. All right. So do you know there's somebody else's?
You okay if I film the table? Right, for filming.
Sorry?
All right, but not his fault.
Oh, no.